where the endless horizon meets the rugged moors.
Where city streets meet crashing waves.
Life feels bigger in Plymouth.
New adventures have always started here, and it's time again.
From marine science and autonomy, healthcare, creative innovation, manufacturing and defence, we're charting the nation's future.
We are the city with the warmth of a tight community.
Where creativity knows no bounds.
Where we go beyond.
Because we go together.
This is Plymouth's promise to you.
Life here will be an adventure.
Make life an adventure.